Hello and welcome to our new topic, that is antiseptic and disinfectant. I am Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, lecturer in KK Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Learning outcome are, after watching this video, student will able to understand the mechanism of action of antiseptic and disinfectant, to classify antiseptic and disinfectant in different ways, to name an antiseptic and disinfectant according to IUPAC system, to recognize the different antiseptic and disinfectant on the basis of structure, physical property, uses and official preparations. Medicine with an antimicrobial activity are basically divided into two groups, non-selective antimicrobial agent and selective antimicrobial agent. Non-selective antimicrobial agent causes most destructive effect on majority of microorganisms. Those are used as topically or locally, and these are antiseptic and disinfectant. Second class is selective antimicrobial agent. Those used as systemically, and these are chemotherapeutic agent. First of all, we see what is antiseptic. These are the chemical substances which inhibit the growth or kills the microorganism on living tissue or surface such as skin and mucous membrane. They are bacteriostatic in nature, and the ideal antibiotic kills the bacteria without harming the tissue of hosts. What is disinfectant? Disinfectant are the chemical agent used for destruction or inhibition of growth of all the pathogenic organism, that is bacteria, virus, fungi, on non-living surface or article. They are effective against vegetative forms of bacteria, virus, fungi, but not effective on spores. They may be bacteriostatic or bactericidal. Sterilization. Sterilization is the process of freeing of an article, surface or medium by removing or killing all the microorganisms including vegetative forms of bacteria, virus and fungi. These are also effective against spores. Sterilization can be achieved by physical or chemical method. Ideal properties of good antiseptic and disinfectant. These shows sedal activity. These are non-staining and has good odor. These are active against all pathogenic organisms. These are active even in presence of pus, blood and exudates. They have rapid activity. They are non-staining, non-irritating, non-corrosive, non-absorbable and non-sensitizing. Mechanism of action of antiseptic and disinfectant. First mechanism is oxidation of bacterial protoplasm, and drugs which are act by this mechanism are potassium permanganate, hydrogen peroxide and halogen. Next mechanism is coagulation, that is denaturation of bacterial protein and disrupt cell membrane, and the drugs are phenol, chlorhexidine, alcohol and aldehyde. Third mechanism is detergent-like action that increases permeability of cell membrane, and the drug are cetrimide and soap. Now we see what is the classification of antiseptic and disinfectant. Classification is done according to their chemical nature. First class is phenol and related compound, and example are phenol, chlorocresol, chlorhexidine and hexachlorophene. Next class is alcohol and its compound. Example, ethanol, isopropyl alcohol. Next class is aldehyde, and the example is formaldehyde. Next class is carboxylic acid and its derivative. Example are benzoic acid, methyl para hydroxybenzoate. Fifth class is halophores, which is divided into chlorophores. Example, chloramine T. Iodophores, example povidone, iodine and iodoform. Next class is heavy metal compounds, that is divided into organic mercurial. Example thiomersa, and silver compounds, that is silver sulfadiazine and silver protein. And next class is quaternary ammonium compounds, which is also called cationic surfactant. Example is benzalkonium chloride and cetrimide. Next class is dye. Example, proflavin and brilliant green. Last class is miscellaneous, which is divided into topical. Example is nitrofurazone and istamol, and urinary antiseptic, that is nitrofurantoin. First drug is phenol. It is also called liquefied phenol. This is the structure of phenol. Liquefied phenol can be prepared by dissolving 800 gram of phenol into purified water to produce 1000 ml. And it is act by denaturing bacterial protein. Properties of protein: it is colorless liquid and it may turn pinkish blue on standing. It has characteristic 2 aromatic odor. It is immiscible in glycerin. Uses: it is used to disinfect urine, feces, pus and burn. It has bactericidal and bacteriostatic activity. It is used as analgesic in dentistry, and it is extremely irritating and corrosive. Next drug is chlorocresol, which is also called Lysol. It is a methyl derivative of phenol. It contains methyl group at 3 position and chloro group at 4 position. Therefore, chemical name is 4-chloro-3-methylphenol. It is less damaging to tissue as compared to phenol and 3 to 10 times more active than phenol. Properties: it is colorless or faintly colored crystal which has characteristic odor. It is slightly soluble in water and readily soluble in alcohol and ether. Uses: it is used for disinfection of utensil, excreta and for washing hands. It is a powerful bactericide and fungicide, and it is used as preservative in cream and pharmaceutical preparations. Next drug is chloroxylenol, which is also called Dettol. This is the structure, which contains 2 methyl group at 3 and 5 position and chloro group at 4 position. It is also a phenol derivative. Chemical name is 4-chloro-3,5-dimethylphenol. It does not coagulate protein. Properties: it is colorless crystal which has characteristic odor. It is practically insoluble in water but soluble in alkali hydroxide, fixed oil and alcohol. It is non-corrosive nor irritating to skin. Its commercial 4.8% solution is used for surgical antisepsis. 0.8% solution is used for preparation of skin cream and soap, and 1% solution is used for mouthwash. Next drug is hexachlorophene. This is the structure of hexachlorophene. It is 2,2-methylene bis 3,4,6-trichlorophenols. Property: it is white or pale buff crystalline powder. It is odorless or has slightly phenolic odor. It is practically insoluble in water but soluble in dilute solution of alkali hydroxide. Chemical properties: when it is treated with sodium hydroxide at pH 9, it is converted to monosodium derivative. That means in this, hydrogen is replaced by one sodium atom to convert it into monosodium derivative. Uses: it is used as antibacterial agent. It reduces bacterial infection, and it is also used to disinfect hands of surgeon. Next drug is formaldehyde solution, which is also called formalin. It has antimicrobial activity and it is effective against vegetative forms and spores. It may act by dehydration of microbial cell protoplasm, protein causing its destruction, that is denaturation of protein. It is used as disinfectant and deodorant. In skin treatment, its 0.5 to 1% solution is used, and in disinfection of stool, 0.5% solution is used. It is used for preservation of anatomical objects. If formaldehyde solution inhaled, tearing, coughing, shortness of breath and agitation may occur. Uses: it is used for fumigation. 30% solution is used as formalin, or it is also called formalin. It is used for preserving dead tissues. Its use as antiseptic is restricted due to bad odor and irritation. Glutaraldehyde is a better sterilizing agent. Next drug is cetrizine, and which is belonging from quaternary ammonium antiseptic. It has detergent-like activity. It is suicidal to bacteria, fungi and virus. It is act by altering permeability of cell membrane. It efficiently removes dirt and grease. It is widely used as antiseptic and disinfectant for the surgical instrument and gloves, and it is used in combination with chlorhexidine, that is Savlon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.